yay lyric, right?
Yay!
So, you guys, let's get into it. What we have here is some glue.
Some sticks. He has some food coloring. He has some saline solution. We have some baking soda and some glitter, and he has some bowls.
So we've never made this before, so we're about to just see
We
how
have.
this goes.
We have.
Right?
Yo! Yay! Let's get into it.
Awesome. So we're gonna start off with some glue. Who wants to go first? You! Had to sit the baby down because y'all saw she was totally taking over. All right, here. Ooh, what colors? I want to do purple.
I want to do blue. I want to do orange.
Liam, what color you want?
Mommy, we dropped it.
Oh, these are so cute. Look. These are so adorable.
I want to have
Oh.
I want these too.
Liam, here.
I'm going to get pink.
Give him that one. Here you go. Let's get into it. Yay! Yay, 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 yay. Pour it in, pour it in, pour it in. Pour it. Squeeze it. Squeeze it. Woo! He has green.
I already put my food coloring in.
Ooh, this is Mommy's. Liam's. Maya's.
And
Layla's.
So
So now we're gonna add the saline solution. Liam, you wanna go first?
that's it.
Let me try some. Let me try some.
Okay. So
Cool.
yay!
Here.
Look at it, guys. Can I add more? Look at it, guys.
This is the baking soda. We're gonna try some of that. We're not even measuring. We're just going for the gusto.
Mommy, it's turning orange.
It is?
Yeah. Mine is turning like
Huh.
a blue. How you get it in my hand?
Ah.
Like it, guys? Like mine?
Oh,
Mine?
wow.
Can I see yours? Mom? Mom, yours looks so beautiful.
It's starting to slime up.
Wait, I got myself. Stop. So.
I'm trying to help you out, Liam.
Guys, I think I added too much saline. Mine is so stuck to the stick. Ah! It feels so.
Let's see if it makes the sound.
It makes a popping sound. And I did better.
Let's try it again. We're gonna mix it with some glitter. Lila, let them see yours.
Mine is so wet.
Spread. Yeah.
Yeah, guys, this looks so good. Oh, just hold it, Pop. That's it. That's it.
Theirs did the sound. Mine's did the sound.
Look. Mine is squirting everywhere.
Here.
Oh, there's Mommy, there's pops in it.
Let's try. All right, let's try it again. We're gonna do it with the glitter. So, what color are we doing, you guys?
I'm gonna just do pink.
Okay.
Activate.
Good job. Also, we need to choose the glitter. What glitter y'all doing?
Can I please have the gold and silver?
I want to make
No, the red.
I'm gonna do silver. But also, I'm gonna do blue. There. Ha!
Last time I did it.
Look. that color. That is so pretty.
Why is mine always turning out it's a bad color? Look, it's not pretty.
Liam. There.
Mommy, I was going to show my
There you go. And Layla's. There. Yeah. These colors look so pretty. Alright, come on, stare it around, stare it around. Stare, stare, stare. Make sure you stare really, really good, guys. Really, really, really good. You stared it? Oh my gosh! Look at that. Blue goblin.
Want to send it to Grandma?
No, Liam, no, Liam, inside. It's posted.
I'm making a mess. What's your post? Make a mess. Press it.
This is actually really, really good.
So guys.
Liam, you know how to do some slime? You knows how to do some slime? Woo!
My baby boy had to get into it.
Yeah.
Mommy, my stretch.
This one, I think the second batch was a lot better. I think the second batch was a lot better. What do you guys think? Comment down below. Let us know. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Ew!
Yeah, and I told you guys, it was not searching. Mommy, wait.
Hear the sounds.
I heard somebody do this and it makes a big bubble.
Okay, hear the sounds.
I said put it. I'll put it. It's somebody heard this sound. Mine will make the sound.
Tear it apart. Pull it in.
It's
Cut it. Ooh. Now we're gonna try to add the ones we did earlier to the ones we're doing now. Try to add them to it.
Ready, set, go. Ready, set, go.
Look. Can you see it? Liam, don't throw it.
Liam, mix them up. Mix them.
Mix it in.
I could literally just tear it apart like this.
You can see
What?
Oh, look at Liam. Oh, look at that color.
Mommy,
My boy
mine looks so...
Oh, look at Veya's. Veya, what is that? Looks so. Ooh, that looks nice. Oh, you were just made a pop sound. Layla's looks like an inside organ.
Where's Joe? That looks so horrible.
This looks so cool.
It's horrible.
Listen to the sound.
F is it. Can you make parts?
Thank you guys for watching our channel. Just don't forget to subscribe. This was so much fun, you guys, trying to make some slime. So you guys, how many likes do you think we can get on this video?
20.
20 likes. I think 20, we can probably get to 20. Don't forget to comment down below, you guys.
And what was your favorite part
Of this video.
And subscribe to our channel.
Yeah. Oh, it's still going.
Mine's cool, not mine.
Until next time, you guys.
Until